Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this U channel in SolidWorks software. Select new part, OK. Extrude, select the front plane, create sketch. Give the dimensions. The U channel dimension is 80 and this is 40 and thickness is 5 mm. This is also 5. This is 40. Finish sketch. Length of the U channel is 100 mm. Select mid plane. 1000 mm. 1 meter length. Give the fillet 5 mm. Select two edges. Create one hole for locating the rollers. Give the dimension 16 mm. The roller dimension is 14. Select here linear sketch pattern. Select this edge. Select the sketch. Here give 41 mm and 24 rollers. Go to Features, Extruded Cut. Select here through hole. OK. Assign some material. ESTM 36 steel. Go to Edit Appearances. Assign some color. So that is the U channel, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session. And also I am requesting, please do subscribe my channel and support me.